What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register into PNC Bank. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's get on with the video now, shall we? First step, search for PNC Bank Register and click on Enroll in Online Banking over here. It'll take you to this website. Over here, click on where it says Get Started and it'll take you to its sign up page, and over here click on where it says Get Started again and it'll take you to its official sign up page. It's gonna be a 5-step process in total. First, you need to select the ID type you want and then fill up the form according to that over here. So I chose the individual taxpayer identification number, and over here enter your bank's number. You need to enter your PNC bank's account number over here and choose the type of account you have, or like the type of debit or credit card you have. Click on next. After filling up this entire form, it's gonna ask you for some more info. After completing this 5-step verification, you should be done. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.